Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove or unlink WhatsApp from Instagram. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Edit Profile. This will open your profile settings where you can manage different details related to your account. Scroll down until you find the section called Profile Information. Under this section, look for the option called Contact Options and tap on it. On the next screen, you will see the option WhatsApp Business Phone Number. Tap on it to view the number that is currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Once you do that, you will see two options: change WhatsApp number or remove WhatsApp. To disconnect WhatsApp from your Instagram account, simply tap on remove WhatsApp and follow the confirmation steps shown on your screen. After completing the process, WhatsApp will be successfully disconnected from your Instagram account, and that's it. So that's basically how you can remove or unlink WhatsApp from Instagram. So that's all for this video.